This is the story of a kitten, a story of love, loss, and survival. In a house of 6 people lived their beloved cat, Susie. Susie was pampered, cared for, and treated like a queen. But over time, she became arrogant, lazy, and always demanded attention. One day, the family discovered that Susie was going to give birth. Everyone was filled with joy and excitement. They cared for her even more, waiting for the little lives to arrive. Finally, the day came. Susie gave birth to 5 tiny kittens. The family's hearts were stolen instantly, but soon Susie began to feel ignored. The kittens became the center of attention, receiving all the love and affection she once had. Jealousy grew inside her, until one day she made a heartbreaking decision. One by one, Susie carried her kittens to an abandoned playground covered in tall grass and left them there. The kittens cried in fear and hunger, waiting for their mother. 2 long days passed. No one came. Then a pack of stray dogs appeared. They took 3 kittens away. Only 2 survived, hidden in the grass, scared, weak, and alone. But fate had something different planned. The next evening, a boy riding his bike noticed the helpless kittens. He immediately called his girlfriend for help. Their hearts melted, seeing the tiny creatures. Without a second thought, they rescued them, feeding them milk, cleaning them, and giving them a warm cushion to rest. For the first time, the kittens felt safe. Days passed, and the kittens began to play happily in their new home. But one afternoon, a male cat entered and carried them away. When the couple returned home, they searched everywhere.